I said, sir, let's go.
Wait,
Sir, you promised.
ये बैग्स कहाँ के लिए है?
Sir, trip पे जाना है.
अरे बाबा, your university is so serene in the morning. Why do you want to go somewhere else?
No, sir, you promised, sir. I came all the way from Zirakpur. No, sir.
Sir, I came all the way from my hostel.
So I'll take you to your hostels. No. Let's go then.
Chalo.
Sometimes the most important conversations don't happen in classrooms or conference halls. They unfold on an open road, in raw moments, and honest laughter. This isn't just a journey across places, it's a journey within. Welcome to Minds and Minds.
Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the
So well, we've always met in a professional setup and now we are going for a road trip. So I would love to know about you guys, Arathya, Yuvraj, what are your likings, dislikings about your campus life? How are you treated at home? Tell me about yourselves, please.
My name is Yuvraj, as you already know.
Yeah, that I know.
And from Chitkara University, that also. you
Yeah, I
already
think so, yes.
So currently, I am pursuing BBA Professional.
Okay.
And I am moving forward to do my third year. I live in Patiala, but currently I am living in hostel. अब आप सोच रहे होगे कि हॉस्टल क्यों लिया, मतलब 30 किलोमीटर दूर है तो हॉस्टल क्यों लिया. सो मेरा मानना है कि सर एक छोटी सी जिंदगी है तो क्यों ना बिताई जाए अच्छे से.
Acha, so you mean the day scholars don't spend their life properly, right?
According to me, no sir.
You do realize there is a day scholar sitting right behind you.
Back. Sorry, Aradhya. About my liking and disliking, sir. Currently, I am a travel content creator, so of course I like to film content and shoot some videos and go to travel. So
When you talk about travel, is it like going to some other city or is it more regarding to an adventure or
not
something?
basically a city, sir. I like to summit the heights and the peaks, you can say.
Oh, wow.
So recently I've done Mount Friendship Peak, which is like 5,389 meters above the sea level. So like I love to do adventure trek.
It's amazing.
That's amazing, yeah. Good to know. I didn't know you do a lot. I thought you go to some treks or some cities or
We
something.
do expeditions basically.
Oh, lovely. That's really a good passion which you have.
Thank you, sir.
Definitely something I can't do.
Side by side, I'm a professional master trader working under funding pips and managing their $50,000 accounts.
Oh,
Yeah, you can say that I'm a taxpayer.
lovely. And before even starting your job, you are a taxpayer. So
Yeah, I'm paying my taxes since 2 years, you can say that.
wow, that's lovely to know. And what age were you back then?
19.
19.
Yes.
Well, that's good. So you're a traveler. You're studying right now, and you are into trading,
I
right?
have also my own business venture, you can say, of travel company. Like I organize trips for the students.
So we have a bade log in our car.
नहीं.
We didn't know that. And anything else which is left side by side?
बाकी सिर्फ फैमिली बिजनेस थोड़ा सा संभाले तो फाइनेंस एंड ऑल
थोड़ा सा ही है बस.
थोड़ा सा
ये मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन.
ठीक है. And what about you, Aradhya?
Sir, इतना सुन लिया. Why do you want to know about 50?
Side by side we got to know
What do you do?
followers.
Okay, so my name is Aradhya Manak and I am going to be in third year. I'm pursuing computer science engineering in Chitkara University.
Okay.
And my passion, my whole interest lies in dance.
Oh,
And side by side, I'm also a model and a content creator.
and there's a specific genre to your dancing? Is it
Yes.
hip hop or Kathak or what?
I'm not a classical dancer, although I did start as a classical dancer itself.
Okay.
I've learned semi-classical and classical professionally in my childhood. But currently, I am doing freestyle and I'm more into Western.
And that's a total contrast of what you started.
Total contrast.
And how did it happen?
I would say that, a dancer becomes a dancer when the person learns about beats, rhythms. And that can only be done if you learn Kathak or semi-classical. That is totally my opinion.
Okay.
And I've seen a lot of people do that as well. It was my mother who made me join that. I didn't know I'll end up falling in love with dancing.
That's up.
But it did happen to me. It was my first love and it will always be my first love. Baki, I am a day scholar as that fact has been established very well. मेरा भी ये मानना है that जिंदगी छोटी होती है, so why should I go away from my parents and I can be there with them as long as I can be there. I would like to, because I am a single child, so very much connected with my parents. And I'm Scorpio, if that matters.
One of the passion is dancing, right? Apart from it, do you have any other things which you
So
would like to
dance-
share?
Whenever somebody asks me about my passion, dance is the first word that pops in my head. But I'm also pursuing as a freelance model.
Okay.
So I do photo shoots for
So if
designers.
we didn't ask this question, you wouldn't have told us.
No. I don't like to, That's not what I meant. I don't like to
You
stop.
guys and your slangs. But you both are doing great, and at this age, you are quite focused. And the best part is you know what you love. So you'll continue to do that. So I would also love to know, would you want your dancing or your traveling to be your profession? Or is it just passion and you want it to be separate from your profession?
So definitely your passion can always become your career, because why not do something lifelong which, provides you happiness and love at the same point. But for me, I feel like I am doing computer science engineering for a reason.
Okay.
Because I want a stable income
Okay.
and I want this to be my passion. I don't want to seek, I don't want to get greedy in my passion.
Okay. That's...
I want to run it as a love of my life only.
Got it. And what about you, Yuvraj?
Same here, sir. I want to keep my passion secondary because, as she said, she don't want to be greedy in her passion. She want to love the way she dance. You can say that. So yeah, same goes for me. Like, I want to travel not for money. I want to travel just for getting my mind clearer and get some like freedom. So yeah.
So it's basically, that kick of caffeine that you get when you do something that you love. So I don't want my chill and my safe space to become something that I'm worried for in the future.
Got it. I also believe the same. It's both ways, each to its own. If you can convert your passion into profession, that's great.
Lovely.
And if not, so you can balance it out, I believe, because if you have passion, you'll 101% balance it out. The journey is as beautiful as the destination, which I believe in, because it is not only about reaching at that point. It is about with the people who are, and I'm not talking about only the passion or maybe the trip. I am referring to life, where the journey is what matters, and with whom you meet and how you meet and how you live in this world is what matters for me. I would love to know about your campus life also. Like, how's the campus life in Chitkara University, where you guys are studying? You are in the Punjab campus, right?
Yes, sir.
How's it like? What's the vibe?
So as a hosteler, I can confirm that, sir, campus life is too good for me because campus is open.
This hostel obsession.
Campus is open till 12 in the midnight. So we can explore more things. We can work on our startups. Explore Hub is always open for us. So we have
You have a beautiful seed department.
very much, sir, very much.
Right, yeah.
It gives us so much opportunities and gives us a co-working space where you can work peacefully and you can ask your companions. So we enjoy a lot, sir. As a hostler, I enjoy a lot.
That's a age-old long war between a hostler and a
Why
relative.
don't you remind him that I do have two hands?
And it can be converted into a fist.
Yeah. You're underestimating my Mars.
I got a lot of opportunities in Chitkara. Even though my travel content creation journey started from Chitkara itself.
Okay.
Yeah, I met an influencer, a travel influencer who came for a speaker session in Chitkara University.
Right.
Wow.
So yeah, I was like so much inspired from him. So I started my journey through that. According to me, campus life is too good for me.
And when you were talking about, completing all the summits and peaks of 5,000, 5,600 meters, your parents were okay with that? And didn't your friends say, though, no, it's too risky, why to go? And especially your mother be concerned. What happened? Or you didn't even tell your parents what was the situation?
Sir, my parents know my patient.
Hmm.
ऑब्वियसली उन्होंने रोका मेरे को उस टाइम पे, बट इन द एंड उनको भेजना, मेरे को जाने देना पड़ा उनको कि चल ठीक है तू कर रहा है, बट ट्राई टू बी सेफ.
Hmm.
So there's no risk to you. If you feel anything, like you feel any health problem, so come back. Don't worry, you have a lot of life pending. You can complete anytime. So yeah, my parents are very much supportive.
And what about you, Aradhya, when it comes to modeling, fashion, and sometimes there's some taboo also around, which may not be a concern in your family, but I would love to know.
Sir, actually, in fact, I started with the modeling journey from Chitkara itself.
Okay.
It's very unbelievable, but it happened from Chitkara only. I was in a dance club, and from there somebody approached me, and that's how I started with this journey. And my first project, when I talked to my mother about it, she wasn't okay with it.
Okay.
But to prove that it's going to be okay, I did not tell her, and I went behind her back and I did my first shoot. I showed her, and she that's how she believed in my potential, actually.
Oh.
In the first go, when I was trying to convince her with words, that didn't really help my case, but through actions it did. So later on, she got very supportive. My parents together supported me a lot, and recently I've even done shoots outside the city, and I was gone for 2-3 days, and they were fine with it. And in fact, they love watching my shoots, and they follow every designer that I've worked for.
Arre wah. That's so good to hear. And it's so good, when youngsters have something which they can, they can find happiness from, and they can pursue it, and everybody supporting. So it's a fair deal. And when it comes to your content creation and the number of followers you guys are having, don't you feel sometimes you're caged or very dependent when it comes to social media, that whatever you do, you have to post it on the social media because you have to maintain that kind of viewership in your accounts?
So honestly, I feel like it's totally up to you, whatever you want to post, whatever you want to share about your life. But obviously, if you want to connect with people, you have to stay active. Otherwise, people wouldn't connect in just one day. It takes time.
But does it, affect your mental health?
No, not at all, because I love doing it. I love sharing a piece of me on my social media, to which I know a lot of people would relate. Now, my content relies moreover in the fashion side. So I know that girls are all about where did I buy this from, how to apply eyeliner, stuff like that. And whenever I put something that I know people will love watching, I always get a great response.
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong.
Today's food is sponsored by you.
Yeah, you can say that.
Take me home, country road.
So guys, we are done with our khana pina and now chai with charcha. So are you ready for some rapid fire round?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go. So what's your favorite snack?
Ramen.
Rajma chawal.
Kya contrast hai?
It is like
Big contrast. So for you, passion is a vibe or a hustle?
Definitely a vibe, huh?
Definitely vibe.
What do you like, beaches or mountains?
Definitely beaches.
So last time you chose passion over sleep, what were you doing?
I was actually traveling for a shoot to Delhi.
Submitting the Mount Friendship Peak, obviously.
One friend who always hypes you up.
All of my friends do that. I don't have bad friends.
Same here.
No best friends,
No, sir.
only friends.
I just have a pack of few friends who like all of them are my best friends.
One thing you've done for the content but now regret.
I think negotiated too much where I did not realize my own potential.
Done the treks continuously, so my knees are hurting now also.
It's going amazing, and I'm loving to know this side of yours because it's always been so formal. It's been quite interesting to know about your passions, your love for the university, the campus life you're enjoying. What would you like to suggest to people who are still figuring out their passion?
I think the only advice that I can give to people who are still figuring out what their passion is, try everything. Nothing is too cliche. Till the time you love what you're doing, it doesn't matter. So just focus on what you like and don't listen to others' opinions.
My suggestion to the students is that you should try different things and then decide your passion.
That's so right that once you've tried all, you know what you like and you can make it your love and continue as a passion. So good job, guys. Awesome answers. And you already won the trip, so I can't give you more presents.
We deserved it. So what's the destination now?
What are you asking about? Is it about the trip or life? Let's go and figure it out.
Let's go.